You know, microcenter is the home of tons of different PC options, whether you want to build your own or get a pre-build. But I've got to say, my favorite is actually always going to be our pre-builds, because our PowerSpec line of pre-builds are fantastic deals. And this PowerSpec G762 is no exception. This is available at a really good price for really premium hardware. Check the link in the description below to see more info. Now, the PowerSpec G762. This is powered by the brand new AMD Ryzen 7 9850X3D CPU. Now, this is an iteration of the 9800X3D with some improvements. So it's still 8 cores, 16 threads, and that expanded L3 cache of 96 megabytes, but this has a boosted clock up to 5.6 gigahertz. So it's 400 megahertz more than the 9800X3D, but you do get some performance lift there. And if you want to see some more information on that, check out our video on the 9850X3D, because we found performance lift to be anywhere from about 3 to 8% depending on your game and your use case. And X3D CPUs are actually really good at giving performance uplift at 1080. Now, why would that matter? Well, if you take advantage of some super sampling or AI upscaling features like DLSS 4, well, what that does, it takes your game, it's actually going to render it at 1080, and that's where the CPU is actually going to help give you that extra frame rate. And we know that frame generation really likes to have more frames to work with to give you a higher amount on frame gen. And those X3D CPUs, well, they can help out quite a bit there. Now, why would you want to use any of those features? Well, they're really good at getting high frame rates at 4K. And this NVIDIA RTX 5080, well, that is no stranger to 4K gaming. 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM, so that can handle anything that you throw at it. And with those AI enhancements with DLSS 4.5 now, and frame generation, I think it's up to 6x frame gen, which is just absolutely insane. Well, now you can get tons and tons of frames without breaking the bank. And that's what this PowerSpec G762 can do. Speaking of breaking the bank, let's talk about memory. Memory prices have gotten pretty high these days, and the PowerSpec G762 has 64 gigabytes of DDR5 6000 megatransfer memory. So that pairing with the 9850X3D and the 5080 is fantastic. This is going to be a 4K beast. Now, we also have a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, so that gives you plenty of storage for your operating system and tons of games. But what if you want some more storage to fit more games? Well, if you purchase an additional NVMe SSD or any other component at the time of purchase of your PowerSpec G762, we will install it for you for free at the Knowledge Bar at Microcenter. And that's a fantastic service where you can customize your PowerSpec without having to do any of the work yourself. We have plenty of other benefits that you should really take advantage. We have some of the best protection plans around. You can also bundle this with ESET, which is a fantastic antivirus support, or you can get any Microsoft 365 products. And do not forget about PriorityCare Plus. That is our remote tech support that can help you out anytime, any place, and anywhere. It's like having tech support in your back pocket. And if you do run into any hardware issues with your PowerSpec, don't forget that you can bring it to any Microcenter location, and we have a 48-hour repair guarantee. So that means within 48 hours, we'll make sure that we get this in tip-top shape. Ask an associate at Microcenter for more information on all of these awesome benefits that you can get with your new PowerSpec. But all in all, the PowerSpec G762 is a fantastic performer when it comes to gaming, even content creation, and maybe a little bit of local AI, because that 16 gigabytes of VRAM, you can still fit some small models on there as well. This is a well-rounded machine at a really fantastic price, and you can only get this at your local Microcenter. So stop on by your local Microcenter, check out our line of PowerSpec PCs, and if you don't have a Microcenter near you, then be sure to comment hashtag I want a Microcenter near me.